if a comma x and y are any positive real numbers, a, x, y, these are any positive real numbers, and a is not equal to 1, that means a should not be taken as 1, then we have some laws. How we have, let me see. Before going to know about our laws, let me see a formula. Log base a x is equals to n. If we have log base a x is equals to n, then when you send this log base a to right side, we get this log base a as base here. The formula will be as a to the power of n is equals to x. See here, by sending this log base a, it will come as base here, right? A, and n will change as power, so a to the power of n is equals to x. Here a is not equal to 1. This is a common formula. Log base a x is equals to n. Then a to the power of n is equals to x. Now we'll see some laws in logarithms. In that, the first one we take log base a is equals to 1. Here you have to remember one thing. If base is not given, that is a. So if a is not given, in that case a we can take it as a equal to 10. Okay, so if log base a is there, log base a is equals to 1. Okay, this is what our first formula. That means a base and this one, these both are same. In that case we get answer is equals to log base a is equals to 1. Similarly, second law we have log base a 1 is equals to always 0. Log base a 1 is equals to 0. Why? Because suppose if you send this right side, just now I explained, right? If we send this right side, then it will come as what? Log base a will come at here, right? As base, that is here a, and in place of n will write 0 and equal to, here it is 1. A to the power of 0 is equals to 1. We have a formula, right? So that the reason log base a 1 is equals to 0. So log base a is equals to 1. Log base a 1 is equals to 0. Okay. Suppose in place of a, if we have log base 10, then what is the answer? Base and this both are same, right? Answer is 1. Okay, so here we have formula log base a is equals to 1 and log base a 1 is equals to 0. Now we'll have some more formulas. Let's see. Suppose log base a x power m, log base a x power m is there. So log base a x power m, see, always to pronounce this base a we are getting some disturbance, right? So just forget about this base, try to pronounce as log x power m. Okay, leave about it. To remember easy formula, I tell you, you just leave about it and tell log x power m is there. If log x power m is there, in that case m will come here, then m log x. That means log x power m is m log x, and here we'll have base a. To pronounce easy, better to learn like log x power m is equals to m log x. Simple. Is that it? And next, if a power log base a n is there. So here in this case a to the power of log again base a n. So here base value is a and a power is in terms of log, there also in a base a, both are same and value is n. In that case answer is n. Okay, so first we have a formula log base a is equals to 1. Okay, and or else log base a is equals to 1 and log a is equals to 1, or else we can call, and log base a 1 is equals to 0. That means log 1 is always 0 and base and the value both are same. In that case the answer is 1. And log x to the power of m is equals to m log x, and a to the power of log base a n is equals to, directly answer is n. Okay, similarly if we take one more, suppose you have log 100. What is the value of log 100? In this case, just now I told you, if in case base is not there, we can take it as 10, right? A is equals to 10. Then answer is 2. Log 10 is 1, na? Then log 100 is 2. How? By sending this RHS side, we get what? 10 to the power of 2 only, no? This log base a value will be in a base, then 100 is equals to, this 2 will come as power, then 10 will be here, so 10 power 2. 10 power 2 means what? 100. So 100 is equals to 100. Log 10 is 1, then log 100 is 2. If in case log 1000 is there, log 1000, then it is what? 3. Simple. So log 10 is 1, log 100 is 2, log 10,000 is 3. So we come from the starting. First law, log base a is equals to 1. Second, log base a 1 is equals to 0. And next, log base a x power m is equals to m log x, that is base a. Next, a to the power of log base a n is equals to n. Next, now we have log base a. Suppose you have base a value in terms of x into y, that is log xy is there. If in between there is a multiplication, we'll have in RHS as positive, that is what? Addition. That is log x into y will come as log x plus log y. Simple to remember. If log x into y is there, in that case log x plus log y. We forget about here, na? So log x into y is log x plus log y. Suppose we have in division, a relation is in division, x by y. Log x by y is equals to, we get here a difference, that is subtraction. Log x minus log y. So log base a x minus log base a y. Getting my point? So log a is equals to 1, log base a 1 is equals to 0, log x power m equal to m log x, a to the power of log base a n is equals to n. And in case multiplication is there, log x into y is equals to log x plus log y. In case log in division is there, then log base a x by y is equals to log base a x minus log base a y. Fine. In case log root of xy is there, that means log base a root of xy is there. In that case, we can write it as 1 by 2 log x into y. Why? Because here a root will come as 1 by 2 power, right? That means this xy will have a power of 1 by 2. So power of 1 by 2 means it would be in the form of log base a x power m. Then m log x. So m log x. In place of x, we have x into